Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today at a client's house. What's happening is the parapet is leaking from up top. It wasn't waterproof correctly, they didn't have the membrane down, they just have exposed wood. So removing the metal flashing, laying down proper waterproofing membrane, and then putting the parapet down. So you're going to see it. If you can see behind me, you see the house, and I'll show you how the project goes. Thanks, guys. Okay, welcome back. We're about an hour and a half, couple hours into the job. You can see what the existing metal looks like I was talking about there. So the metal has been flashed around, but what you don't see is the fact that it's not waterproof. So over here, you can see the exposed wood. Now we've taken off the metal flashing. It came in 3 pieces. We got 1, 2, and 3, and the wood's exposed. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bring a peel and stick base sheet and just basically apply it right to the wood, so any water coming down can't get through the peel and stick base sheet and can't wet the inside walls. So I'll show you the damage that you can physically you can see. Now because they didn't have a water protection under the metal, you can see how wet it is. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's wet to the touch, and you can see the blackness starting to form. So, okay, one last detail we have. Now this is a scupper draining water from another roof area onto this roof. And the detail's a little poor. I can actually put my whole hand underneath the scupper. Now, if you can imagine, water is running through this, and now possibly water is going between the wall cavity. So we're going to close that up and seal it nicely and go from there. Okay, I'll show you. I'll bring it back when we have all the base sheet down and show you what it should look like now that it's going to be waterproof. Okay, welcome back. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished installing the self-adhered modified membrane, so you can see what it looks like now. We've now adhered the membrane on that exposed wood that you saw all the way up and over the parapet. So now the metal, the only thing the metal is going to be serving is as an architectural feature. It won't be serving as an actual waterproofing. So we are 100% waterproof now. You can look around the parapet. There we go. That's how you seal your parapet. We're going to add some metal and we'll show you what it looks like as a finished product. Thanks. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We'll finish the job. Turned out excellent. I'm sure the client will be thrilled. We're able to seal the parapet up top, make it nice and waterproof, and like I said, the metal is strictly an architectural feature. You should not be using metal as a waterproofing barrier to the inside cavity of your wall. So go ahead and take a look. We were able to put all the metal back on. We saved the client money by taking off the metal neatly and putting it back on, so we wouldn't have to charge them or expense extra installation of metal. So there you go. You can look around. And this detail here, we had the scupper. Remember in the beginning I was able to put my hand in here, so we just sealed it up with metal flashing, caulked around it, and away we go. So, okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it, hope you learned something. If you're in the Southwestern Ontario area, give us a call, legacyroofs.com, or you can email us at info@legacyroofs. Thank you very much.